I feel like saving this face.
You see your life?
A lot of good times, seen a lot of pain, had a little sunshine, had my share of rain, but there's nothing in this world compared to the joy I have whenever I'm with you.
Hi guys, hello, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I am Susanita Efe. You guys, today's video is all about this look right here. I feel like saving this face. Anyways, before we get right into today's tutorial, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever I upload a video you will be notified. And if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget also to leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this look. And you guys, if you are not following me on Instagram, go follow me on Instagram, show some love, okay? So anyways, you guys, enough of the talking, let's go to the tutorial now.
Cause my papa no be dangote, oh I delegate, but we go there, okay, yeah, yeah. For my papa no be dangote, oh I delegate, but we go there, okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. Girl, you a walking trophy. You a walking trophy. My girl, you a walking trophy. Yeah, your friends, them a walking trophy. Tell a girl, say, girl, you know, say you're pretty from your band. Walk out, girl, you're not.